Hi everyone, let's look at this problem. I want to be considering combination and factorial notation part 1. And because it's part 1, I'm going to be focusing on the little introduction of combination and the factorial. Now in this lesson, we'll be learning the formula for combination when you have n combination r. So the formula is going to be n factorial n minus r factorial and also the 6th entry and the 10th row of a Pascal triangle. In one of our lessons, we will learn about a Pascal triangle, and we're going to be applying the knowledge in this combination and factorial notation. So for this, when you have r entry in the nth row of Pascal triangle, so the formula to apply is n minus 1 combination r minus 1, which is n minus 1 r minus 1. So this is what we need to determine the constants of a Pascal triangle, and we're going to be applying it in this lesson. So the next one is factorial. Factorial, when you have n factorial, it simply means the n minus 1, n minus 2, or so on. So 3 times 2 times 1 is the same as 3 factorial. So you're expressing that. So all this together is what we're going to be using to solve this problem. The first one, the 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So if you do all this, that will be 120. And the second one is 5 combination 2. So where your n is 5 and the r is 2. So if we apply this formula, so the 5 combination 2 will now be 5 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So we have 5 factorial, then 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So we can now express 5 factorial as times 4 times 3. So you have to stop at